There's the tree that we're going to fall today. I've got my two lines connected to it already. Elizabeth will be pulling one line and Yolanta the other. This is the wood from other trees that have fell. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this tree here will be the 5th one. Interestingly, there are 31 rings in the wood, corresponding to about 33 years ago when we planted this tree. And we put Mama at a safe distance away. She'll be observing. Mom, any last instructions before we fall the tree?
Definitely. Don't wait it to fall on you. That's the main thing.
So I just have to be careful the tree doesn't fall on me, right?
Definitely.
Okay.
You run as far as you can.
Okay, thank you. Get the direction. I want it to fall kind of like on the wood pile right there. So the wedge is right here, and the next cut I'm going to cut about 1 inch or 2 above that, and then this is going to be the hinge right there. So it'll hinge, and if I get it, it'll hopefully go in that direction with Yolanta and Elizabeth pulling. Did you see that? It was right on the wood pile. See, like, that's about...
Jackknife, baby, and I'm gonna cut you down the side. I'm a lumberjack now, baby, and you're the one that gets my pride.